This is Scot. He's in for his second attempt. What would happen on the first one, Scot?
I feel must be.
You got a serious fault for getting close to parked cars. Really good standard of driving. You could put this guy in for part 2. That's how good he is. But he went and out on his first test and got too close to a parked car. At least this picture looks like you. Right, get yourself ready then. Have you any questions before we start?
No.
Sure?
Yep.
Right, when you're ready then. We'll just go left out of here. What's the date? What's the date? 27th.
I'm not a clue.
So you think he's lost his brush, eh? That was very good of him, wasn't it?
It's nice to be courteous.
Yeah, it's good. It's the 27th of January. Is there anything you want to go over in particular? No?
No, I'm good. Nothing too much.
Right?
Don't want to think about it too much.
Did you watch any more videos last night?
Just the ones of you and the routes, different test routes.
Were them helpful?
Aye.
Yeah, people say that, yeah.
I'm worse this time than I was last time.
What?
I'm worse this time than I was last time.
Why is that?
I'm just having that.
Nervous? Just chill, you're good enough to pass. You've got a real high standard of driving. When you haven't got your boy racer cap on, you know. Wait, no? Explain that one. Go on, get in the middle, put your signal back on. What's going through that big brain yours?
I see no left turn. I'm looking thinking, was it right?
Eh?
No left turn. Now the sign now underneath the traffic light.
See the light
No
change?
left, yes.
So you've got to drive in the middle, haven't you? When the lights change.
Yes.
Is that your brain just working overtime there, or what?
Oh, I got sweat on everywhere.
I don't know what you think.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to pull over, you know. I think I might have to pull over. I feel awfully sick.
Do you?
I had a protein shake this morning and then didn't realise the milk was off. Spewed it 3 times, honestly.
Right. Just explain what that sign meant me by not turning left. I don't know.
You obviously don't turn left. Aye.
Away from here. Yes, you don't go that way, do you?
No.
The same as you no turn left.
I was just getting confused between left and right. I honestly
Right,
was. I
is
was
that
just
what it
looking at it and that was it.
So if you were turning left, where would you turn
I
left?
obviously gone that
You'd
way
go
and
there,
then
wouldn't you? But we would just turn right, the lights was on there.
just having a blonde moment.
Right, go on then, off you go. Get your brain working. You're
Nah,
a bit
no.
nervous again, aren't you? Told you.
I am. Look at this. Look at the steam, man. It's your fault.
Alright, just chill.
Sunglasses and look like a tit.
You need to put your clutch on, don't
Don't, not the
you?
dear man, how are you?
Yeah. Put your clutch down when you stop at the junctions, don't you? And just put them in that line so we're all queued up, look to get in.
Ah.
Yeah, that'll do. How are you feeling?
Yeah, this place. Not like how I felt last time, but maybe that's a good thing. I didn't think I was just going to fly through it last time and I feel so.
have to laugh at this one. The hour before his last test, he drove perfect. He never made any faults. The standard was of a really, really high standard. And then he goes out and fails. He has
Miserably?
6 minors and one.
Yes.
8 minors.
Yes.
And one serious fault. Didn't commit a minor fault the hour before. Today he drove like a lemon, haven't you? Right?
Still no serious faults though?
No, the close with that car to the left.
Yes, aye.
So he just waited. He's good enough to boss this easy. But he's letting nerves get steamed up quite quickly, don't he?
It's pouring out of us, honestly.
Just stay calm on the one to pass it. You're good enough to pass it. If you stay calm and you drive to your best of your ability, you'll come back with no more than 2 minors. So, but if you...
I don't care if I come back with 14. I don't care if I come back with 14, it's still a pass.
Oh dear. Tell you. Be fine, you know. I think the first one you just got nervous. The next one you know what's going to happen, don't you?
See, I didn't get that nervous.
That's
what I mean. I wasn't nervous. Obviously, I wasn't nervous because that's how I feel. Because I was obviously overconfident because I was getting so close to the cars, and I thought I was actually all right.
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't believe it. Even when he says he were a bit closer, I still thought I still haven't felt for that though. He's just letting us know. Do you know what I mean?
No,
but obviously, if they open the mouth, that means that they've got to tell you. I mean, when they say something like that, it's like now or nah. If he has to tell us something like that, I've failed. You know what I mean?
Oh dear. Yeah, you've never done that mistake before getting close to cars, then he goes and does it on his test. He's got to concentrate and read the road and you'll be fine. Did it go quickly last time?
It wasn't bad actually, it wasn't. It didn't feel bad at all.
Did you knew you'd feel when he said you need to get a bit close to cars?
No.
Did you not?
No. I thought he was just like advising us. I didn't know it was a feel at all. But I also didn't think I was that close. But obviously I would have been. It must have been. If not, he wouldn't have said it. You know what I mean?
What does that say, look? What does ETA mean?
I've got a clue.
Examiner took action. What does V mean?
Verbal.
And P means physically.
Aye.
So if he's gone for the wheel or he's gone for the pedals, you've had it. And he's had to take verbal action with you. What he's wanting.
If he fucking feels as I'll be taking verbal action with him, I'm telling you.
Oh, really, man. Concentrate, you'll be fine.
Ah, Brad. Going in.
Put your handbrake on. Feeling the pressure.
I was just in the bath before I come out. I need another one.
What?
I was just in the bath before I come out. I need another one. It's pouring out good, honestly.
Just chill. I've just washed this car before I pick you up. Look at the back window. You're allowed to use them, you know, if they're all busy. You're allowed to use them.
And what, reversing it?
Yes. Go and show them how it's done.
Not like that. Is that what you're on about there?
Yes. Does that sound like you?
Fan pads.
Is it?
Could be wrong, I'm not a mechanic, you know what I mean, but
Oh, but you know some stuff, do you?
I'm full of useless information, right?
Hey?
I'm full of loads of useless information.
No, you're not the deer. Well, it's time to wish this young man the best of luck. He's got the skills to smash this driving test, but I don't know how the brain works when they get nervous. He really has. We'll see how it goes. Have any questions before we turn this off?
Hey, County Durham.
Have some of yours.
I'm joking.
Right,
Oh,
Howard,
yeah.
let's away and turn the car off. Just stay cool, yeah?
Aye.
Yeah, right. Well, we're back up testing my main man, Scott. Scott, tell him what you've done.
Pass?
How many faults did you get?
I don't know, I wasn't listening. I just heard pass.
You just heard pass. You got 3 faults, I think. 1 blind spot, 1 not picking speed up quickly, and what was the other one? Oh, you left in the right lane when there's a car in the left lane.
Mm-hmm.
What was the driving exam like?
Spot on.
Mm-hmm.
Aye. You just feel really easy as anything. Do you know what I mean? I thought I would wanted you there after that feeling last time, but
Yeah.
it just made us felt so comfortable from the minute we left here. And I knew all the way back that I'd passed.
Right. Well done. I'm very glad that's over with, are you?
Aye. Aye, yeah.
Wasn't that bad, was it?
It wasn't at all, you know.
He was a good examiner, right?
Aye.
And he made you feel nice, relaxed.
Aye.
You had a better
You're
drive.
singing your praises as well.
You what?
You're singing your praises as well.
What did you say, like?
No, just say you're brilliant. You've got what you do. You've got a high pass rate. And it says that you didn't. Says you didn't cover where I'm from. I says so. Obviously, I've come to you through this, and I says I'm glad I did. He says, "Oh, people travel from miles to come for you." He says, "You're that good." He says, "People come from Newcastle University, Newcastle University on the train, and that to come and see you."
That's right. How did you know
I
that?
don't know. That's what he says. He knows it.
Right, coming on the train. He's a good exam, isn't he? Nice. It's good he's put you at ease.
Aye.
I was gobsmacked you failed the first one, honestly. Absolutely gobsmacked. That was a very painful day, that.
That's done now.
Couldn't believe it. 'Cause
Done.
You know, to become a driving instructor, you have to, it's like a basic L test, but it's 6 miles, but a lot higher standard. You could have got in for that. That's how good, when you concentrate, that's how good your driving is. I mean, you might not have passed, but you wouldn't have come back in the exam and thought, well, you shouldn't be, you wouldn't have thought you shouldn't be here.
Mm-hmm.
Really, really good standard. But you're glad you don't have to do that again, are you?
I am glad.
Imagine if you
But
get-
in a way, like I say, it made us feel that comfortable. Even though I was on my test,
Yeah.
I enjoyed having the drive around.
Did you?
Do you know what I mean? It's like I wasn't thinking shit. It was I just drove as normal how I normally would. It would just kept me speed down. Obviously a little bit too much because he says I wasn't keeping up with the traffic. That was one of my things where I just made sure I read the road and I kept my speed down. 30, I was making sure I didn't go over. I know it doesn't matter by a mile an hour, but
So
just
you
make it
didn't-
nice and smooth. You know, I mean, when I was going from 40s into 30s, I wasn't braking. I was just using the gears, and it was just smooth constantly. Neville's crossing things like that. I was rolling. No, I never stopped. You know what I mean? I kept the car constantly moving.
And did you know that you knew that you passed when you pulled up?
I was. Aye.
Oh,
It's like even driving past here when when in Little man, when
Did
the
you?
Little and reversed.
Did
That
you?
was me thingy, reversing into
Oh,
a B.
yeah.
Yes.
So we got
And then when I pulled out there, it's like all the way along there, I was like 90%. Sure, I passed. Aye.
Yeah. It is a good feeling, isn't it?
It is high. I wanted it all my life, and I